posted a video. I've been working on a few things. I'm working on some programming, working on an indicator, and so forth. So my attention has kind of gone in that direction. But I can tell you that we've made some progress and things are coming along pretty good. So this is going to be my weekly update, which is probably what, a month away from the last one that I've done. So the first thing we want to do is let's go over and look at our let's look at Trade the Bear, and here's our results right now. We have a 53% increase to the account. You can see here we got it up to here when that first move down came, and then we took a little bit of a hit, coming in, and didn't quite pull back to where we started. But we're still making progress. We're trading the XLF primarily in this, so a lot of this is dependent upon the XLF. So let me get out of this. And but anyway, if you get a chance, visit Trade the Bear and sign up for the free training, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and learn to become a confident, successful trader. That's what it's all about. I was reviewing some of my results lately, and in my larger accounts, I'm up like 17% in this quarter. Last quarter I was up like 65%, but that was an incredible move that we caught, with this big down move right here. And so my goal is to make 20% per quarter, and we get really close to that, and sometimes we beat it. So come along for the ride, and we'll teach you how to do that. Now, the indicator that I was talking about working on, you can see here this blue arrow tells us when to go long, and this red arrow tells us when to go short. This is a signal that I got back on February the 21st. Of course, I didn't have it in any kind of an indicator format that allowed us to get this move here, and then we took this move as well down to here. So from here to here. Now we're looking more of a little bit more of a bullish market. The bear is on right now. You can see the bear reared its ugly head the other day. When we got into this resistance area here, I started, getting in a position where I had just shorts on. So, we made a pretty good amount coming up to here. Then we pulled back to here. You can see the support levels held, and now we're starting to see things go up. Overnight, 25 up. Pretty strong. This is a 5-minute chart over here, and you can see the end. This is pretty much the trading day right here, and it just up, whoop, up. So just watch it. I mean, it looks like this market's going to make another run at this up here. I was anticipating, this was a lot of bad news on COVID, and states opening up and things not going very well. But we'll have to see. Let's look at the fib level here and see what we have. So right here, let's push this right here down to here. So we still got the 61.8 right here. So just kind of watch that 31.15.50 area, and see what we have. So let's take a minute and let's look at the other markets. The NQ. The NQ is showing bullish, back from a bearish, big strong candle here, and then today it's pretty much given a reversal. The oil, oil hasn't quite filled this gap yet, so I anticipate that oil is going to get it back up into that 41, 42.50 area before it balances itself out. So watch that. And then how about gold? Well, gold, man, gold is just kind of staying right in this area, just right here, pretty much hanging right there. Let's move that. Let's put that like right here. So maybe an iron condor. I don't know. Have to think about it. I'm not one to trade gold personally, but I do keep an eyeball on it. Kind of gives us a hint of what else is going on. The dollar, what's happening with it? It's pretty much cruising, just doing its own thing. Oh no, look at that! Wow, okay, broke out of this area, broke out, broke down, So, ooh, maybe people are starting to lose confidence in the good old greenback dollar. We shall see. Now, what did I miss? I missed something. I did oil. Oh, bonds, bonds, bonds. That's what we got to do. So let's look at bonds. How's bonds hanging in there? Well, you know, it was in this little trading area right here, and now it's pulled back down. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it. You know, they're saying that you're better off being in the stock market right now than trying to play with bonds. Bonds is just not yielding enough return. So that's why people are keeping their money in the stock market, even though there's all this bad news and craziness out there. So let's go look at our ETFs, KRE. Probably tomorrow I'll start looking at getting long again. We've got this little mild resistance area right here. We'll have to see how it deals with that before we get too crazy. And the Qs, which is real close to the NQ, hasn't quite given a signal in this chart yet, but look for this to become resistance. I mean, look how crazy this is. We're up at new highs on the Qs, even with all the insanity that's going on in the world. SPY, you know, pretty much the same as the ES that we were studying earlier. And how about home builders? Home builders, look at that. That's a real strong bullish engulfing pattern. And then you got a gap up here that's going to try to fill. Looks like 43.60. So you know it's up in this area somewhere in that neighborhood. Energy, we've done very well with this one here, but that level there held, and we're starting to see if it's going to come back up here and take that area on. And then our little favorite to make some money with in a small account, XLF, trading at $24.16. And it looks like the support area is trying to hold. There is a gap down here, so you know we're going to have to, you know, let's draw a line on that. Gonna have to watch this gap, and it's going to fill. I thought it was going to fill sooner than later, so I'm still short on this, and you know, this is what I'm using right now to grow that small account. So let's see. Let's pull up Trade the Bear. We did a little work on Trade the Bear also. So you notice if you go to tradethebear.com, it flips. Oops, hold on. Let me bring this into the screen. It flips to a temporary domain, and we've had to wait for GoDaddy to release it. I've purchased it with GoDaddy, and then we're hosting it somewhere else. But the you know, the traffic is going to come on once we can get this tradethebear.com working. So hopefully in the next few days we'll see that come together. And well, thanks for joining me again, and I'll get this posted up tonight, and look for more videos to come now that things are getting a little more organized. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, thank you for watching, and I hope you become a confident, successful trader. Thank you.